Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about iOS 16, an amazing update with a lot of new features and changes. And we're just on beta 3, so there's more to come until the public release of iOS 16. So in this video we're talking about 10 really cool new features that you will find on your iOS 16 device that you probably don't know about. Now we're starting with the lock screen, but before we get into that, I just want to ask you guys for a really quick favor. Please, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, as most of you guys that watch my videos are not, consider subscribing. That really helps out a lot. Now here on the lock screen of your iOS 16 device, of course you have now the chance to customize the clock and the color of the clock as well, of course alongside with the day and the date right there. So you tap on it and you will have here the option to switch between different colors, set the intensity of the color right here, or pick any color you want from here. But did you know that you can actually just tap on the color picker, and this now allows you to just go ahead and pick any color you want from the current wallpaper that you have on your device, and that way you will be able to actually set a color that looks really good with your wallpaper. So you can see I can drag this around and pick a color from my current wallpaper, and that will make it look really awesome. And you can see now how it looks. So just go ahead, choose the color picker and pick the color of your wallpaper if you want to set it on the clock and the date. Next up, we're talking about dictation. Now, dictation has been improved a lot with iOS 16. And what's really good is that now it actually recognizes emojis. What that means is that when you're dictating text, previously you would say, like let's say heart emoji, it would just write heart emoji on the text. Now it actually recognizes emojis and it knows what you're talking about, so it will place the emoji instead of the text. So let's just try this out. This is a test. Heart emoji. As you can see right there, it does replace the text with the heart emoji, and that's really good, especially of course when you're writing maybe messages or something on your social media, you want to use dictation. Now you can also type emojis. As we know with iOS 16, now you can just select the subject of any picture simply by tapping and holding on that subject, and of course you will get here a pop-up menu which allows us to actually copy this, and you can paste it anywhere you want, or you can save. You can see that really cool animation right there. That's really awesome. And you can also save this into a separate picture. So let's say you want to create a new picture, just having this on the picture. So once I have selected it, all I have to do is just tap on the share. It will show me the share sheet, and I can save this as an image on my device. And finally, music recognition and Shazam will actually work together. Even though these are basically the same thing, as Apple has purchased Shazam, but it has integrated it into the control center on iOS. But before, they didn't sync. Now they sync and work together. So songs that you recognize using the control on the control center, music recognition on the control center, will also be saved on the Shazam app, of course, if you have the app and you use it on your device. I don't use Shazam on my device. When I want to find a song, I just use music recognition. But of course, if you have Shazam, now they will sync together. As you probably know, on iOS 16, we have now quick notes. The easy way to just take a quick note from pretty much anywhere. Like maybe take a screenshot and save it into a quick note directly from here, or just go ahead and just create a quick note from your control center or lock screen. So I can just go ahead and create a quick note right here. Of course, having this screenshot on the quick note. But did you know that you can actually also have a widget for your quick notes on the home screen of your device? And here I have one which basically takes you to the last quick note that you have created. So here it will display the last quick note that you have. You just tap on it and it takes you right there. And anytime you create a new quick note, it will of course update it on the widget as well, so you don't have to change this. It will automatically place it on the top here and display it on the widget, so it takes you right to the last quick note. And finally, on iOS, you can actually recover deleted messages. Just like you do with photos from the recently deleted album, now you will have that same feature on messages as well. All you have to do is just go to the front page of the messages where you will have all your folders, and then you will have the recently deleted right here. They will stay here for 40 days. So what you can do here is just select one of them or all of them, and you can recover or delete them permanently. If you want to do that, you can do that from here. Now, you can also do it without selecting anyone. So if you don't select, this will affect all the messages you have here, delete or recover all of them. One of my favorite features of iOS 16, the ability to search text within photos that you have on your photo library. Now with iOS 15, you could do this from the Spotlight search, but it didn't work actually that good. It didn't find all the pictures. In this case, you can see right here, I have 40 pictures which have the word settings on them. With the Spotlight search, it didn't actually recognize all the text on all the photos, but now this works much better. You can see if I search here, it says text found on photos. I tap there, it displays me all the pictures that have that word which I've been searching for on them. So this will work basically with live text. So any word that live text can just find on a photo, that will now be searchable from the search section on the Photos app. And this right here is pretty cool. With iOS 16, now you can translate text directly from your camera. So once you have focused on the text, you will have, of course, the live text button right there. You tap on it, and all you have to do is just tap there and tap on translate. Any text that your camera has recognized can now be translated using the Translate app on iOS 16. Now, of course, when you recognize text using the camera of your iPhone, maybe like a phone number or something like that, you will have to actually select the text and choose which text you want to copy. But now you will have this very useful button right here that allows you just to tap there, and it will copy all the text that the live text feature will recognize through the camera on your iOS 16 device. And last but not least, on Safari, you can now have pinned tabs, and you can pin a lot of tabs here on Safari on iOS 16. So right there at the top, you will have your pinned tabs, which of course will stay there at the top no matter whether you have opened here. And you can even rearrange them, and of course move them around anywhere you want, and of course even unpin the ones that you don't want to have pinned anymore. Now the way to pin these tabs is to go ahead and 3D touch on one of the tabs. Tap right there, that will be pinned at the top of the tabs view on Safari. This is really cool actually, and very useful, as it helps you finding your tabs very quick and of course very easy. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this if you want to stay updated with the latest news and of course the latest update regarding iOS 16 and of course more iOS and iPhone videos. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, it really helps out a lot. And of course, don't forget to smash the like button if you enjoyed the video. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.